This project is made from about 5 feet of 1x4. Cost is about $5.35 in my area. I only had a couple of 1x8 scraps, so I ripped them down. If you're new to woodworking, a 1x4 has an actual width of 3.5 inches. Once those are ripped down, I head to my miter saw and set up a stop block to cut 4 11-inch pieces. One of those gets cut down to 9.5 inches. Speaking of miter saws, hey, if you don't have one, no problem. I just put a video out on using a plastic miter box. I'll put a card above for it. This would be a perfect project to use that. I then cut a 45-degree angle, leaving about 1/2 inch at the end so the tip isn't a point, and then measure 7 inches down from the tip and make a straight cut. I need 2 of these. I actually mess up here and cut the 45 all the way through. No problem, just use the first piece as a template and move on. Here I'm using 220 grit sandpaper. In retrospect, it would probably be easier to sand the 1x4 boards down before cutting them and then sand down the sharp edges, but this works. Now I'm gluing and nailing the angled pieces on either end of the 9.5 inch board. Clamps are always your friend. Next up is attaching the remaining 11-inch boards in place. 1 in the front and 2 in the back. Same glue and nails. Pick the stain of your choice. In my case, I'm going with carbon gray here. And I just built a bathroom caddy similar to one that is selling on Etsy for over $30. You saw how easy something like this is to build. Hey, if you're going to build something like this, I would suggest a few coats of polyurethane. Come up with your own design and go for it. I hope this inspires you. Thanks for watching.